You are watching Liquid Vibes. Today I will show you how to make a classic French 75 cocktail in 60 seconds. So let's go and jump in. Take a champagne glass. Pour 15 milliliters of chilled lemon juice. You can note down the recipe from the description box. Pour 15 milliliters of simple syrup and 30 milliliters of London dry gin. Perfect. Then top up with perfectly chilled champagne. Please don't forget to subscribe for more exciting recipes like this. Garnish with a lemon twist. The classic French 75 cocktail is now ready for you. Cheers!